Hey guys, welcome back. So tell me, who doesn't like a good salad? I mean a good chicken salad. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I made this chicken salad for my customer, because she said just make me something nice. Okay, she's a salad lady, like she likes salad a lot. I make salad for her almost all the time, and yeah, I'm very happy to be making this because she said make something nice. And yeah, I'm just going to do what I love to do. Okay, personally, I love chicken salad. It's so calming, it's really nice, and yeah, I'm going to make it, and I decided to show you guys. So I've cut my chicken to my desired shape. You can go ahead and cut it straight or however you want it. So I cut it in cubes, and I'm just seasoning with my favorite seasoning. No big deal, just curry, thyme, some turmeric powder, salt, and chicken seasoning. Okay, so I mix this properly, and I'm going to drizzle some vegetable oil on it. This is just to lock up all the flavor. This is the night before this order is needed. Okay, this order is for Eid, which is the next day, and I'm making this marinade at night because I won't be having enough time to do all of this. So I'm going to put this in a bag and just put in my freezer to sit there, and this is enough time for this to marinate very well. You know, when you eat a good marinated chicken, you understand what I mean. So I'm going to lock this up, and yeah, I'll be back the next day to show you what this looks like. So guys, this is the next day. If you have watched my previous video, I told you guys how much work I had to do this day. So it's quite early in the morning, and this is part of the first order that is leaving for 8 a.m. So I have to wake up early and make sure all of this is well packed, well prepared, and yeah, good to go. So what I did first, I added a bit of vegetable oil to my pan just so it doesn't come out too dry. And now I added my chicken, and I'm just going to stir this continuously until everything is well to go. Okay, but one thing I added to this is a bit of sesame oil. Who doesn't love sesame oil? Like the smell and everything, it's divine. As soon as I added this, every smell in my kitchen changed, and I love it. So go ahead and add it if you have it, but if you don't, just do it a vegetable oil alone. Okay, so I'm going to keep stirring this. Don't leave this, okay? It can burn, and you don't want it to end up burnt. Okay, just keep stirring until you are good to go. This is chicken breast, by the way, and it's very easy to cook. This cook under 7 to 10 minutes. Trust me, it's very easy, but you want to go on medium-low heat just so it cook evenly and you don't end up with some reddish inside. Okay, so cook in medium-low heat. No matter how much time, maybe you have little time, just make sure you do this process very well so everything can be succulent and your customer enjoy, or your family enjoys it. So I'm just going to leave this to sizzle and cook properly, and yeah, once it's done, we proceed to the rest of the process. Okay. So once our chicken is ready, it's time to introduce it to all of the veggies I'll be using. It's very simple. Okay, these are simple veggies, like nothing serious. Some shredded cabbage, shredded carrots, bit of cucumber, sweet corn. Yeah, this is basically all I'll be using. It was at this point while I was introducing you to my ingredient, that's onion, white onion. That was when I remembered, guy, I've not boiled my eggs, and I just sweep everything apart. mixed my cream and went ahead to boil my eggs. And at this point I focused on something else, which is what I posted in my previous video. Okay, so yeah, I was trying to make sure everything goes well, everything like fast, so I don't disappoint any of my clients. So first thing first, let's mix our cream. Okay, this cream, guys, you need to try this. You need to try it, because I didn't tell my client I will be making this cream. She said surprise me, and that's exactly what I did. And the result, like, it was so good. I love it. So I added some mayonnaise, store-bought mayonnaise, Bama, that's what I got. I added some mayonnaise to the bowl, and as per always, I added some Hollandia milk. Yeah, use any evaporated milk of your choice. You can use peak, so you can whatever you like, but I love Hollandia. The creaminess is top notch. I love it so much. Okay, so I went ahead and add my black pepper. You can use white pepper, but the flavor from black pepper is top notch. You want to use black pepper. Okay, and the next, which is actually my favorite ingredient I added to this mix, is this barbecue suya spice. I bought this spice randomly from the supermarket, and ever since I use it for anything, I love it. Like, the flavor is amazing. It's well mixed, nothing is overshadowing anything, everything is just well measured and all of that. So you want to mix this up together. I don't have lemon. I would have loved to add lemon just for that tingling sour taste you get, but I don't have lemon or lime at home. If you have, go ahead and add it. So you want to give this a good mix. If you're using a large quantity and a bigger bowl, go ahead and use your hand mixer or whisk just to make sure it's well combined. So you want to mix this properly, and once you are done, set aside, cover it and set it aside. You can put it in the refrigerator if you are not using immediately. Okay, so that's all for the cream, and guys, this changed the game. It's so good. Yeah, that's what I said. It's so good. You can go ahead and give it a try, and I'm sure you are going to love it. Okay, so on to the next. So it's time to assemble our mini box of chicken salad. Okay, so I'm going to start with the cabbage, because of course that's the like the largest quantity of veggies I'm adding. So I'm going to lay a bed with the cabbage. Yeah, I'm using this nylon as a proof so it doesn't leak on the box. Okay, so I'm going to lay a bed with the cabbage because it's much, and yeah, you need something as a base. So I'm using the cabbage as a base. I'm just spreading it down there. I'm removing whatever coloring I'm seeing. You know, cabbage now, mostly these days, you have to be really careful. Okay, so I'm just doing all of that, and yeah, you are going to see what I did, like how I assembled this. It's really fun to assemble. Like, this is my favorite part. Yeah, I love assembling stuff like this. Okay, so enjoy the rest of the video, guys. Thank you so much for always. And yeah, if you are still here and you haven't subscribed, please, I'm begging, do well to click the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of our interesting videos. And to all of you that came back to watch my video, thank you so much. I truly do appreciate you. Enjoy the rest of the video. I love you guys.